Hi everyone, this week in reading we are going to be focusing on retelling. Retelling is a really important skill, and you might even find that you retell stories to people already about books you might have enjoyed, or movies or TV shows that you've enjoyed. So let's have a look at the learning focus. Before we go there, we are going to be doing, you should have already read this book, one of my favourite books called Here Comes Stink Bug. So we're going to be doing a bit of a retell on this one. I've been looking at a way to try and include this into one of my lessons because it's one of my favourite books. Anyway, let's have a look at the learning focus and see what we're learning to do. So we are learning to retell the story. We are going to, we need to talk about, when we retell to be successful, we talk about the characters and the setting. We retell the story in order. We use words such as first, next, then, and finally to sort of help with our retell. And we also retell the most important parts of the story. So we're not trying to retell everything necessarily that happened in the story, just the important parts of the story. So a really good strategy to help you with retelling the story is to use the book and use the pictures to help you. So sort of thinking what happens next in the pictures sort of helps you retell the story. So if I was going to do this, I might model it quickly. So sort of look at the picture, sort of connect it, and just try and retell the important things in the story. So I'll start, shall I? So I'm not going to say everything, just the important things. So it's Here Comes Stink Bug. Stink Bug stinks a little bit, and not everybody likes it. So then one day, you can skip pages if you like. One day the animals decided that they needed to say something. So Leopard Slug said to Stink Bug, "Why do you always stink so much?" Then Stink Bug got mad, and he sort of wasn't very nice to Leopard Slug, but it made him think a little bit, poor old Stink Bug, because the picture's showing him thinking there. That helps us with our retell. And he thought, well, maybe I'll try not to stink so much. And while he was doing this, he met a charming spider who thought Stink Bug was pretty cool. And Stink Bug thought Spider was pretty cool, but then next, Stink Bug thought he was going to get eaten. So Stink Bug then started to smell like he never stunk before, and this scared Spider, and he ran away. So you notice that when we're retelling, the pictures are really good supporters. They really help you support your retell, and just try and use those to help you draw on, to retell the story. So I want you to practice that using the PDF that's attached, and practice just retelling the story using the pictures to help you, and make sure your story connects, your retell connects. And remember, it's just the important things. Have a go at that, and then we'll have a look at the next part of the lesson. How did you go? Hopefully you would have noticed, but by using the pictures and retelling the story using the pictures, it would have, you're able to, it helps prompt you on what happened next and gives you lots of ideas about what to include in your retell. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a bit of an activity on that retelling, which we're just using a bit of a visual organizer. So we're just going to divide our page into 4, and then at the top write first, then next, and finally, and then we're going to just practice retelling the story by including, by drawing what happened in the beginning, first, then next, and then finally. So just remembering, we're just trying, when we do retell, we want to make sure it all connects and it's in order, and we just include the important things in the story. So we're not retelling everything in the story, just the important events, and that's what we're going to practice and focus on today. So once you've done that, if you'd like to extend yourself, you could also write what happened in each part underneath. And then I'd like you to just upload that onto your small group folder, and so you can share it with your teachers, and we can have a look and see the work you did. All right, hope you have fun. Bye.